My name is Grape. I'm small, round, and come in green, red, and purple colors. Let's spell my name, G-R-A-P, Grape. You can eat me as a snack, or I can be made into delicious juice. Hello. I'm a pomegranate. I'm round and filled with lots of little juicy seeds inside. Let's spell my name, P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate. You can eat my seeds for a yummy, crunchy snack full of vitamins. Hi. I'm a fig. I'm round and sweet, with a soft outside and crunchy seeds inside. Let's spell my name, F-I-G, fig. You can eat me fresh or dried, and I'm great in snacks and desserts. Hi there. I'm a kiwi. I'm small, round, and fuzzy on the outside but bright green inside. Let's spell my name, K-I-W-I, kiwi. I'm sweet and sour, and I'm packed with vitamin C. Hello. My name is passion fruit. I'm round, with a wrinkly outside and juicy seeds inside. Let's spell my name, P-A-S-S-O-N-F-R-U-I-T, passion fruit. I'm great for making juice or eating straight from the fruit. Hi there, I'm dragon fruit. I'm round and spiky on the outside, but sweet and colorful on the inside. Let's spell my name, D-R-A-G-O-N-F-R-U-I-T, dragon fruit. I'm super fun to eat and full of good vitamins. Hello. My name is lychee. I'm small, round, and sweet. Let's spell my name, L-Y-C-H-E, lychee. I'm juicy and delicious, and great to snack on in hot weather. Hi. I'm a cranberry. I'm small, round, and bright red. Let's spell my name, C-R-A-N-B-R-R-Y, cranberry. You'll find me in sauces, drinks, or as a dried fruit. Hello, I'm a persimmon. I'm round, orange, and sweet. Let's spell my name, P-R-S-M-O-N, persimmon. I'm a perfect fruit to eat in the winter. Hi. My name is tomato. I'm round, red, and juicy, and guess what? I'm actually a fruit. Let's spell my name, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. You can find me in salads, sauces, and even on pizzas.